Hey everyone, do you think you need thousands of dollars to start investing? Think again. Today, I'm going to show you how you can begin your investment journey with just $100. Yep, that's it, $100. Let's turn your small investment into something big over time. First, let's get one thing clear. The most important step isn't the amount of money, it's your mindset. Investing isn't about getting rich overnight, it's about growing your money over time. $100 may seem small, but with the power of compound interest and smart choices, it can grow into thousands. Before you invest, ask yourself, what am I investing for? Maybe it's retirement, buying a home, or building an emergency fund. Your goals will help decide where and how you should invest. Investing isn't a one-time thing, it's a habit. Most platforms let you automate contributions, so set up a monthly deposit, even if it's just $10 or $20. Trust me, consistency is key. Investing isn't a one-time thing, it's a habit. Most platforms let you automate contributions, so set up a monthly deposit, even if it's just $10 or $20. Trust me, consistency is key. Here are 3 mistakes to avoid as a beginner. Chasing hot stocks. Don't fall for hype, focus on long-term growth. Ignoring fees. Look for platforms with low or no fees, especially when you're starting small. Pulling out. Too soon. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Let your money grow. Let's break it down. If you invest $100 in an S&P 500 index fund with an average return of 8% per year, and you add just $50 a month, in 20 years, you'll have over $30,000. That's the power of starting small and being consistent. Here are a few tools to make it easier for you. Apps for investing, Robinhood, Vanguard, Betterment resources for learning, Investopedia, YouTube channels like this one. So what's stopping you? Take that $100, set up your account, and start investing today. Remember, the best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is now. Call to action graphic appears. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more tips, and let me know in the comments. What's your first investment going to be? Links to the best investment platforms are in the description below. Check them out. Thanks for watching, and here's to growing your wealth, $1 at a time. See you next time.